Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a seasonal must-have that's quickly become a festive favorite, the Jacquotha hand towels for kitchen 3-pack. If you're looking for the best Christmas kitchen towels dishcloths with festive red and green designs, this is the one you've been searching for. Let's get into why these towels deserve a place in your holiday home setup. First off, the packaging already sets the tone. 3 beautifully coordinated hand towels in rich red, classic white, and deep green. Together, they scream Christmas without being over the top. As you unfold each towel, you'll notice the fabric immediately: 100% cotton, smooth to the touch, and soft without being flimsy. Each towel measures a generous 29 inches long by 13 inches wide, giving you plenty of surface area whether you're drying your hands, cleaning dishes, or wiping countertops. What makes these towels more than just functional is the wavy striped jacquard design. Unlike printed towels, the pattern is woven into the fabric itself, giving it a more sophisticated texture and visual appeal. The stripes flow elegantly, adding a sense of movement that can really elevate a kitchen or bathroom's decor. These aren't just towels, they're a visual upgrade. Now let's talk about their usability. These aren't the towels you just hang for show. The cotton construction makes them genuinely absorbent, perfect for drying dishes or hands quickly. They're quick drying too, which helps keep things hygienic and fresh in busy kitchens or bathrooms. And here's a nice bonus: the colors are fade resistant. So even after several washes, the festive red, green, and white tones stay vibrant, which means you'll be pulling these out every holiday season for years to come. Each towel in the set can serve a distinct purpose. Use the green towel in the kitchen, where it adds a cozy holiday touch while helping with spills or drying cookware. The bright red towel is ideal for the guest bathroom, instantly warming up the space and giving it that inviting holiday feel. Perfect for a clean, minimalist look, or even as a spa-like hand towel in your personal bathroom. If you're thinking of gift ideas, this set is a total winner. Whether you're heading to a Christmas party, need a housewarming gift, or want to stuff some stockings with something thoughtful and functional, these towels check all the boxes. They're festive, practical, and well-made. Plus, they come from the Jacquotha brand, which is building a reputation for delivering both style and quality. Durability is another big plus here. The stitching is tight and consistent, the terry fibers are low lint, and the fabric actually gets softer and more plush with each wash. These aren't throwaway towels for the season. They're built to last and get better over time. To wrap it up, the Jacquotha Hand Towels 3-pack is the perfect blend of holiday spirit, practicality, and elegance. From their high-quality cotton material and vibrant fade-resistant colors to their versatile uses and festive design, these towels are the best Christmas kitchen towels dishcloths with festive red and green designs on the market right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest product breakdowns coming your way. Stay cozy and festive. We'll see you in the next one.